Hello, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today on Faces of Commerce we're with Restoration One. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Michelle Glickauf. I am an account manager with Restoration One of Wilmington.
So Restoration One of Wilmington, tell me a little bit about what you do.
So we are a water and fire restoration company as well as mold remediation. So if you have a problem with a leaky water heater, say, and you need to have the water eradicated, then we will come in with our equipment and do that for you.
Why is it so important to pick up the water so quickly?
Well, if you don't pick up the water, then it can cause more damage down the road. It can cause mold, it can cause damage to subflooring. So we bring in our equipment, we'll have air movers, dehumidifiers, and we will look at your house and see at the size of the room where the damage is, so that we'll know exactly what kind of equipment and how much equipment we need to dry that out.
So it's not just mopping up after maybe a leak.
No, you may have, you may notice as far as water damage, maybe a flaky paint on your wall, and you might feel it and it'll be damp. So there could be damage behind it, there could be a burst pipe behind it, so that would need to be cut out so that we can see exactly what kind of damage is there. Because then it can start mold, bacteria growth, and you don't want that.
That's true. And we've got such a humidity issue down here anyhow, so I'm sure for people that haven't lived here all their lives, it's maybe a new thing, this mold.
Exactly. And sometimes it takes more than a day or so to get all the water out. But we go there every day, sometimes a couple of times a day, to measure the humidity and to make sure that we get all of the water out to prevent further damage.
Wonderful. So if, goodness knows, we hope nobody has issues, but if they do have issues, who should they call?
They should call Restoration One of Wilmington at 910-550-3356. And you can also reach us at our website, which is restorationoneofwilmington.com.
Wonderful. And how long has Restoration One of Wilmington been in business?
Since 2017, we have been in business here. And the franchise has been around since 2009.
So it's locally owned?
It is locally owned and operated. We have a brother and sister team, Trip Smith and Candy Phillips, and they're just wonderful. They're a great customer service and just a wonderful company to work for.
So Restoration One of Wilmington, again, your phone number?
Yep, Restoration One of Wilmington, and the phone number is 910-550-3356.
Website?
restorationoneofwilmington.com.
Thank you. Have a great week.
Thank you, you too.